How to set up Eufy Doorbell camera. Begin by downloading the Eufy security app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and sign in or create a new account. Tap the plus icon to add a new device and select Doorbell from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan the QR code located on the back of your Eufy Doorbell. Ensure your smartphone's screen brightness is at maximum and hold it about 8 inches away from the doorbell to facilitate the scanning process. Once the QR code is scanned, the app will guide you through connecting the doorbell to your Wi-Fi network. After successful setup, mount the doorbell on your desired location using the provided mounting bracket and screws. For wired installations, connect the existing doorbell wires to the terminals on the back of the Eufy Doorbell, ensuring a secure connection. For battery-powered models, charge the battery fully before installation. Finally, test the doorbell by pressing the button to ensure it's functioning correctly. Thanks for watching the video.